Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today, whoo, y'all, the best Copycat KFC recipe, y'all. And I am saying the best because your girl has tried 5 different attempts at this recipe that I found online. The others didn't do it. It wasn't it. This is it, y'all. And this will be found under my Copycat playlist. Make sure you check that out. Let's go. So I have some legs and wings that I brined overnight. That just ensures that your chicken is extra juicy. Then I have oregano, thyme, MSG, paprika, white pepper, salt, ground mustard, celery salt, black pepper, ground ginger, and then granulated garlic. So those are the 11 herbs and spices, and I am going to add those to 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So one thing I'll say about this seasoning, listen, it's gonna smell good instantly, y'all. And if you want to make an extra batch of the seasoning mixture, you can add this to use the flour mixture for wedges, potato wedges, y'all. Ooh. And as you can see, I'm just tucking the little wingy behind the drummy, and we're gonna set them off to the side. So 1 coating is all you need. That's how they do it in the store, because it's a thinner coating on their chicken. So while I'm battering the rest of the chicken, go ahead and use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed and are watching the videos. I appreciate you guys so much. So I'm gonna fry all of my wings first because the cooking times on white and dark meat are different. So I'm just gonna do that and start on my gravy. So I'm starting with 2 different types of chicken broth. Beef and chicken broth. I have butter, flour, salt and pepper, and onion powder. And so I'm gonna start in a saucepan some flour and butter for my roux, and I'm just gonna get a little bit of brown on that, and then I'm going to add in my spices. Very simple recipe, but y'all, when I tell you, it is fire, y'all. And then the 2 different flavors of broth, it's optional, but I highly recommend doing that. It is so good. And off camera, I added some soy sauce just to darken it up a little bit and get the thickness and texture that I wanted, so it will look like so. But y'all, the gravy, y'all. So once your chicken is done, I'm gonna take it out and look at how beautiful this looks. Look at that beautiful color, the taste. Oh y'all. So I'm gonna start another batch, and also just keep in mind, it tastes like KFC, okay? Let's be clear. The skin is gonna be a little bit more crispier, so if you want, I put it inside of a box to kind of soften it up so you can get that KFC original type texture to it. But y'all, let you get your bite. There you go, baby. Look at that, y'all. So good. And you can, the taste, y'all, it's there. It's there. Try it out. I am telling you, I will put Josh's recipe in the description box. Also, don't forget, I'm drooling, y'all. Excuse me, y'all know how your girl do. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I'm posting a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video because this is the winner chicken dinner, y'all. Come on now. And remember, new recipes every single week. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video.